Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do the homework solution for -1 Spic-Friends formula. Okay, let us start. A row we are going to solve today. B row we already solved in the classwork. Okay, now this is our homework solution video. So we will do the A row. First, +1 +9. I don't have enough beats for +9, right? So my formula for +9 will be +10 and -1. Okay. So +10 -1. And now -1 is there in the question that we have to do today. So clearly I have no beats to do -1. This is my 10. I don't have -1 here. So my formula for -1 will be -10 +9. Right? So my answer is 9. Next, 10 -1. Again, no beats to do -1. So formula of -1, -10 +9. And then +3. No beats to do +3. So formula for 3, +10 -7. What are we doing? In whatever number, either plus or minus any number, we are not having beats to do that number. We are applying the formula of that number. Okay, next question. 2 + 8. Do I have enough beats to do 8? No. So my formula for 8 is +10 -2. And then -1 that we have to learn today. We learned today already. -1 is -10 +9. -10 +9. Answer is 9. Next, 10 -1. No beats to do -1, right? So my formula for -1, -10 +9. And then +2. No beats to do +2 also. So formula for +2, +10 -8. So my answer is 11. Next, 3 + 7. No beats to do 7. So we did the formula of 7. That was +10 -3. And now -1. No beats for -1. So formula of -1, -10 +9. Very easy, right? Wherever we were not able to do -1, right? Wherever we didn't have enough beats to do -1, wherever we didn't do -1 because of no beats, we did -10 +9. That's it. Because there is a formula, there is whole another concept of formula. Go watch that video if you haven't watched it. Okay. Now I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.